Hello, my name is Tori with Starleaf Labs, and this is a tutorial for Voxel Forge. In this tutorial, we're going to cover adding, removing, and painting voxels. Before we get started, I want to point out that the tooltips for the toolbar can be a little odd. This is a Unity bug that we can do nothing about, so please be patient with it. So we're going to start off by clicking this first toolbox right here, that is Add Voxel. By default, the voxel editor will paint voxels on the zero plane when no voxels are available to collide with. This gives you a starting point on which to place your first voxels. Using the left mouse button, you can click and place a single voxel. You can also hold down the left mouse button and drag over an area to add a volume of voxels. The next tool is the Remove Voxel tool. Just like the Add Voxel tool, a single click will do one voxel, and a click and drag will remove multiple. The next tool is Paint Voxel. Just like the first two, a single click or a drag will act appropriately. So directly underneath here, we have a color, illumination, and specular mini toolbar. So when painting, you can turn these on and off to choose what you're going to paint on the voxels. Starting at the top one, for color, you get a color wheel. Has a few presets, and you can choose your own color as well. And just like before, choose another color. Now if you hold down Control and click on a color, that is now your active color. Very handy. The illumination slider is used to adjust the self-illumination properties of the color. When using lights in a scene, these colors will remain lit even when no lighting is present. You can use the slider or manually edit the number. It goes from 0 to 1. Specular works the same way. It's used to adjust the specularity of a voxel and how it reflects light. There's a slider, and you can manually edit the number. Both of these two we'll discuss in more detail in a future tutorial. Now let's say you made a horrible mistake. You can use Control-Z or Command-Z if you're on a Mac to undo. Or if that is in fact what you wanted to do, Control-Y will redo. You can Control-Z multiple times. Same with Control-Y. So that's all for this tutorial. In our next tutorial, we will go over our voxel selection tools. We hope you enjoy using Voxel Forge.